So which borough is this?
This is Queens.
This is Queens.
It's Queens.
Okay.
The best borough for sure is a Queens native. I think really it is the best borough.
Welcome to Queens, the vibrant borough of New York City. Established in 1683, Queens is not just a borough. It is rich with history and culture. Located on Long Island, it holds the title of largest of the 5 NYC boroughs. What sets Queens apart is its incredible diversity, with 49% of the population being foreign-born. Having conquered the top tourist attractions in our last visit, our new goal is to immerse ourselves in the different cultures that make Queens the most diverse place in the world. On this New York trip, we've been very lucky to have local YouTubers such as Greg from Food Footprints take us around.
So Greg, Queens, what is it most known for? Like, what are, like, you know, if someone says Queens, this is the most top thing.
I would say the diversity, I would say. Yeah, the amount of cultures we have. This is Elmhurst. That's also Jackson Heights on the other side. So it's like
the neighborhood?
Yeah, this is Elmhurst. It's funny because I know you guys have Elmhurst in Illinois.
Yeah, the only thing I know about Queens is Cool J.
Oh, he's way out. That's how Queens. That's like Jamaica. The Queens is that's how big Queens is.
Is that big?
It's huge. I mean,
I did not realize that.
is here. JFK is all the way in the south, you know, so we have 2 airports. So Jackson Heights is like a big mix. So I want to show you guys a lot of different pockets in this like one area.
Yeah, no
A
problem.
lot of different cultures. That's kind of what I want to show you guys. It's to me the hardest thing to decide is what to eat. Every day that's the hard decision. Every day is what to eat.
And it was nice because last time we came here, we did 2 days of 7 in the morning to 7 at night, just touristy things for 2 days straight.
Yep.
And at this time, it's more like, okay, let's see what else New York has to offer.
Because you can come back to the city like 10, 20 times and still not see it all.
How did you end up doing food tours?
It actually started because it was like people would see me posting food on Instagram. They're like,
Yeah.
oh, take me around. You know how to eat. So it was like doing that, and then my old job.
Yeah.
I'd always talk about eating in Queens. You know, a lot of people they would stay in Brooklyn, Manhattan.
Yeah.
Came out to Queens, so like, oh, take us to Queens. So kind of informally started that way, doing tours with people I knew.
Yeah.
And then expanded from there.
Wow. And how can people find you?
Mostly Airbnb. Now, some people find like referrals and like YouTube and other things. But definitely number one is Airbnb.
So what is that place?
It's called Cositas Ricas. It's a Colombian place. They're open pretty late.
Okay.
They got this big cow on the outside. I'm not sure why. Big, colorful cow. I think it's pretty cool. I think you would like it.
That is cool.
Weird and wacky thing.
That's definitely weird and wacky.
There's a Thai town here, yeah.
Oh, I did not know there was a Thai town.
Yeah.
Never been to a Thai town.
We don't have a Thai town.
Good. That's why I didn't want to I know you guys have Mexican food.
Yeah.
You guys have certain other foods. So I figure I want to get you guys something different. The street's called Little Thailand. You're gonna see the sign. I'm
Little
gonna show you
Thailand.
some mural even too.
So it looks like we're gonna go to, how do you pronounce that?
Khao Kang.
Khao Kang.
Actually, khao is rice, kang is curry. So it's like rice and curry. chop.
Oh, she loves.
Oh yeah. They rotate the dishes every day. Some of it's gonna be a little bit of afterburn too. So
That's
you'll feel a
fine.
Be
little
careful.
more of it.
Like, be careful.
So if it really gets crazy, just order a Thai iced tea because it'll kind of cool it off if you need.
She's so
But
hungry.
you may not need it.
She's so hungry.
I probably wouldn't.
And there's Rosalie. She has her rice, so she's happy.
Rosalie
yeah, look at
loves
that.
her rice.
And what did you get?
Oh, so I got similar to what you got. I got a mix of what you guys got. So the crispy fish, southern fish curry, but I also got Penang curry, which I love. A little bit of rice.
That's how it goes.
Soak it up. Yeah, it's probably my favorite place to eat Thai food in the whole city because everything's already ready. They make it one way. They don't water it down, you know. They don't say, oh, if you want it like mild or
Yeah.
They warn you, like, are you sure you want it? It's very spicy, which I love that.
I put mine separate.
Yeah, that's a smart idea.
So where are we at now?
So now we're back in Jackson Heights, and now we're more in the Tibet, Nepali, Bangladeshi, Indian, Pakistani area. So that's the thing. We're traveling the world in just a few neighborhoods.
This is amazing.
Crazy,
And we
right?
haven't really gone that far. It's not like
No, we haven't.
Look how pretty those are. Whoa.
Oh, they're for sale.
It's Indian dresses, right? Like traditional Indian garment. Whoa, look at that shop.
Oh yeah.
That's like a shop.
This is an apartment building, mind you.
Taylor.
Oh, man.
That guy's working hard in there.
Oh yeah.
Bangladesh Street.
Yep.
So I love how when you go down the street, it's one ethnicity, then you cross another street and it's another one, and then you go over here, it's a different one. It's really cool.
Rosie, look. Rosie, as big as your head. I feel like I'm in a different like country as I go from these neighborhood of Queens. For each one we go to, it's nice to have a tour guide who's familiar with the area.
Now we're back more on the Latin side, so
Okay.
you see a lot of Colombian.
Because I feel like it changed, like
Yeah.
all
You
of
get
a
more,
sudden.
like, Colombian,
It's
Ecuadorian,
just amazing how it
Peruvian.
just changes from like
Yep.
black to black.
I know you do a lot of traveling. What's your favorite out of you that you've gone so far?
Malaysia by far.
What makes
It's
it
like,
different?
it's like second home, you know. It's like we were there. We left here to travel, right?
Yeah.
So we got there like 1 week before COVID shut everything down,
Yeah.
March 2020, and then we ended up staying for 1 year.
Oh wow!
So when you stay in a place for a year, you really develop a connection.
And you made some friends too.
We made a lot of friends there, yeah. So like very close friends of ours,
How old do you think that you said they are?
over 100 years old.
Wow.
Because there's a historic district here at Jackson Heights.
This is nice.
So the further down you go, there's more buildings like these too.
Yeah, there's some areas like in Chicago neighborhoods that look like this.
Yeah. I get guessed too. They say like kind of reminds of like England.
Yeah. The flat and like close by each other. Yeah.
We're like in a Filipino town.
This is it, yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah. You know, so that's the grocery. There's the one. It's like old school barbecue place.
Oh, Filipino grill. Ooh.
Oh, I'll show you guys something. It's like a little mural.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Mabuhay on it.
Ooh yeah. We're like,
Oh, that's so
but like buying boxes. Dude, they actually have a business that does this now. I never seen that before.
There's like 2 or 3 of them here, yeah.
Cause the business was me and my mom, my parents. They're like, "How we get the boxes?"
That's a big business over here. And not just Philippines, like a lot of countries, you'll see like shipping rates from Ecuador, Colombia, all these different places.
Wow.
And now this is Woodside. This is the next neighborhood over.
Okay. What is it called?
Woodside.
Woodside.
There's Woodside, there's Jackson Heights, and Elmhurst. So basically going all 3. They're all very close. In LA, they actually have the grill outside and you like cook it to however you want. They tried that
Ooh.
here, but the fire department shut them down. They're
Ah.
more strict about it. They're like, and I get it because they put the grill like right here.
Okay.
Remember the first weekend they opened, I'm like, this is so cool.
Ooh, the purple dough. All right, let's go.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Hey, how are you?
Look what they got. Oh, Rosie discovered ube ice cream out of my halo halo.
That's what a cream.
Okay.
Oh, she thinks she's gonna take all of it.
She's gonna eat all your ube ice cream, Carl.
It's all gone already. But look at that. You can't say no, right?
No, not at all. All right, Greg. Well, thanks for taking us around.
Oh, my pleasure.
Dude, this is crazy. I didn't realize how much different communities there was here in the Queens area.
Yeah, I mean,
So-
this is just a taste. You know, there's a lot more here in Queens. This is just this one area. I say it's the most concentrated part, but you know, we have our own Chinatown, Flushing, which I think is the best Chinatown in the city. We have a Greek area, Astoria. We have much more than that too. So just a little taste.
So next time we come, more places for
Got
us
you,
to go.
got you.
Now, thank you again.
Oh, my pleasure.
Click the video link right here for more New York adventures.